Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the friends character filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, you will see a search button here. Just tap there and search for friends character. Okay, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, tap on the screen to change the face. Okay, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then you can go to discover and here you can search for friends character filter. Okay, you will see videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from the effect gallery, then you can, let me go there first. Okay, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.